Hello guys, welcome back to the baking aisle. Today I will be showing you how I make my low carb chocolate cake. In a bowl I add 150 grams of dark chocolate, and to that I add 50 grams of unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of coffee, and then I stir until the butter and the chocolate melts. Guys, you can totally melt this chocolate in your microwave, but I choose to use the double boiler because it helps me to control things better. Now that my chocolate is melted, I'm going to add 50 ml of heavy whipping cream. You can also use milk if you don't have heavy cream. And I'm going to stir that in. When it's well combined, set it aside. In a bowl, I'm going to add my 4 yolks separated from 4 eggs. And to that, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to whisk that until it is light and fluffy. Guys, just look at that. But now that it's light and fluffy, next step is to add my chocolate. So now I'm going to fold that in. And then I'm going to add 1/8 of a cup of almond flour. Now I'm going to fold that in. And I'm going to set this aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add my 4 egg whites. And I'm going to whisk this until I achieve soft peaks. Once it's foamy like this, I'm going to start adding my 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol. So guys, you know you have reached a soft peak when you pick up your whisk and you see this peak here, bent to the other side. And look at the ones on the bowl. Okay guys, now it's time to put everything together. So I have here my chocolate mixture and my egg whites. So I'm gonna add some of the egg whites into the chocolate. I'm gonna add a third of it in there, and I'm going to gently fold that in. So I have here my pans that I have buttered. I have also added parchment paper in the bottom, and also lightly dusted it with cocoa powder. And I'm going to divide my butter as evenly as possible into these two cake pans. By the way, I'm using two 6-inch pans. And to help remove air bubbles, I'm going to cut through the batter just like so. And I'm going to tap the pan. Now it's time to bake it in my oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, my cakes are ready and they have been sitting in the pan for about 5 minutes. Now I am going to take them out of the pan and leave them on a rack to cool completely. And now that my cakes are completely cool, I am going to fill it with my low-carb Swiss meringue buttercream. If you want to know how I make this buttercream, check out the link up above. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. And when you do, hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much again, and see you in my next one.